Three Palm Beach County hospitals now using new innovative technology to protect the security of newborns. The infant safety system allows hospitals to capture images of newborn's footprint to help identify a baby in case of an emergency. Jay Jarvis explains how this program works.
This is all about streamlining the identification process for medical staff, as well as keeping babies safe and giving families an added layer of protection during their hospital stay.
One of the first steps is we take the camera here. It'll prompt you to take a picture of the baby.
Since Monday, all nurses at St. Mary's Medical Center and 2 other hospitals across Palm Beach Health Network have been following this new process for newborns and moms, using the CertaScan technology system and replacing the old ink and paper system they used previously.
We were only using this piece of paper for identification for our newborns. Pieces of paper can get lost, prints can be smudged. It's hard to identify a newborn if you are missing this one piece of information. So we decided that we needed something a little more high-tech in the gold standard.
The CertaScan device captures high-resolution newborn footprints that can be used to identify babies.
This is a piece of paper we would use here at the hospital with mom's identification here. Mom's fingerprint and the baby's 2 footprints would go here. No ink, no messy, and if there was ever a misplaced one, we can do a reprint. As soon as we scan the baby, this one is printed out as their first keepsake that they can take home.
The system comes recommended by the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children because, like fingerprints, footprints are unique to each baby and can be used for identification throughout the baby's life.
And if there was some type of disaster in the hospital facility, we would be able to go back and reprint these prints if there was a mass exodus that needed to happen, or if there was what we call a code pink here, where there was a baby who was missing in our facility.
The footprints and security photos are then stored in the newborn's electronic medical record, and they are also accessible online free of cost.
The feedback from our team is wonderful. There's no messy ink. These footprint sheets would always smudge a little bit, and it was hard to read if you got the ink all over, so the staff are very happy to be using the new technology that we have.
St. Mary's Medical Center, along with Good Samaritan and West Boca Medical Centers, are using the system, and they are the only hospitals between Fort Pierce and Miami to be using this technology so far. In West Palm Beach, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.